Google Merchant Center is a free platform provided by Google that allows businesses to upload their product information, manage their online inventory, and display products directly on Google. These products can appear in Google Shopping, search results, YouTube, and other Google services. Connecting Google Merchant Center to Shopify boosts your product visibility on Google, helping you reach more customers, increase traffic, and drive sales. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Merchant Center account and connect to Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify store, then go to Google Merchant Center website. Now, click on Start Now. Here is showing some questions. So first question is, do you sell products online? Now click on Yes and enter your store's website. Second question, do you have a physical store? If you have physical store, you can select Yes, otherwise select No. Then click on Continue. Now click on Connect to Shopify. Now you have to install Google and YouTube app. So click on Install. Now click on Connect Google account. Select the email of your store. Click on Continue. Scroll down and click on Allow. Now enter your business name. Now select Country. Now select the box. Now click on Connect to Merchant Center. Now see, here is showing Shopify connection in progress. So we have to wait for 3 to 5 days to get approved our products by Google Merchant Center. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.